Good evening, students. Today I am making this short video to discuss about the correct answers and the marking pattern of today's chemistry exam. That is today's third unit test exam. Okay, of chemistry. In this short video, I'm gonna discuss about the marking pattern so that each and everyone can get an idea about their marks. Okay, and after finishing the checking of all the answer sheets, then I will publish the result. It will take some time as well. But before publishing the result, I have feel that from the previous experiences that all of you have some doubt about where the 1 or 2 mark or more than your marks are been deducted from your answers. Okay, so to justify this question, each and everyone, it is very hard thing to do. Okay, so that is why I am making this video, and I want everyone to see this. So after seeing that, after watching this video, you will get an idea about where was that mistake and how much marks is gonna be deducted, okay, from your answers. So let's get started. The first question is, write down the three similarities. The first question, this is the write down the three similarities between hydrogen and alkali metals. So you have to just write three similarities. You can add any one of that. That is, both of them are cationic, both of them are mainly hydrogen and alkali metals, both having electropositive character. Okay, so when they react with water or oxygen, they will form oxides. Okay, so you can add these three or any of these three. Okay, any three similarities. So you can add just 3 point. Okay, if you add 3 exact point or 3 correct point, then you will get 3 marks. If you add 2 correct point, then you will get 2 marks. If you return just 1 correct point, then you will get only 1 mark. Okay, so I hope it's been clear. And the second question is, what will happen when potassium is treated with cold water? Give balanced equation. So here we need two things. That is, the question requires two things. That one line statement, what will happen when potassium is being reacted with cold water? When potassium is reacted with cold water, it will form potassium hydroxide and it will liberate hydrogen. Just this one line statement, and then give balanced equation. Okay, so this balanced reaction is required. If this balanced reaction is not there, then you will get only 1 mark. If statement, remember the statement plus equation or reaction, that gives you 2 marks. If any one of them will only give 1 mark. If statement is there, then you will get only 1 mark. If only reaction is there, then you will get only 1 mark. So statement plus reaction, these two things required. Okay, along with them, if the statement and reaction both of them are correct, then you will get 2 marks. Okay, and let's move to the next question. That is the write down 2 uses of hydrogen. It is a simple question. If you write 2 uses of hydrogen, you will get 2 marks. Okay, if you write only 1, then you will get only 1 mark. Okay, then comes to the question number 4. That is, complete the following reactions with proper balancing. Okay, so what happened in the first question? This is the correct answer. So you have to do the reaction along with the proper balancing. If for all of these questions, that is 4.A, B and C, if the reaction is correct, but reaction along with proper balancing, both of them are required. Reaction along proper balancing. Okay, proper balancing is this, both things are required. If both of them are there, both of them, that is reaction and correct balancing is there, then you will get 2 marks. Any one of them will only give you 1 mark. So if you give only reaction, then you will get only 1 mark. Okay, so reaction along with balancing is required. If the reaction and the balancing both are correct, then you will get 2 mark. If only reaction is being correct, then you will get only 1 mark. Only 1 mark. Okay, I hope you have understood this part. And the question number 5 is, show the hydrogen behaves as a reducing agent. Okay, so when hydrogen is doing some reactions to acting as a reducing agent. Okay, here there are so many of reactions. Any metal oxide, when it is being metal oxide can be written as MO. Okay, so any metal oxide, that is MO plus H2, that will make H2O, that will make H2O plus M. Okay, M could be any metal, it can be iron, it can be lead, it can be copper. So any metal with reacting with hydrogen, it will give this kind of reaction. So if you give this kind of reaction and explain it properly, that in this reaction hydrogen is being reacting as a reducing agent, just one line explanation, it will give 2 marks. So explanation along with reaction, explanation along with reaction is required, explanation plus reaction. Okay, if only one is there, only explanation is there, then you will get only 1 mark, and if the reaction is there, then you will get only 1 mark. So reaction along with explanation is required. Okay, reaction along with explanation. So if you write in just the explanation, then you will get only 1 mark, and if you written only reaction, then you will also get only 1 mark. So reaction along with the explanation, you will get 2 marks. Okay, and explain the question number 6 is, explain the relationship between the oxidation and reduction with the help of reaction. Okay, so in this question you have to cite balanced chemical reaction. Along with that, you have to explain properly without giving any example, without giving any reaction. You will not get 3 marks. Only explanation will give 2 mark, and if you give reaction and explanation, you will get 3 mark. Okay, along with reaction, along with explanation, we will give you 3 mark, but only the explanation give you 2 marks. Okay, and so let's move to the last question, that is the, what is the impurities present with hydrogen if you use granulated zinc. So there are so many of that. If you write any 2 of that lead of copper, iron, or any 2 of that, or lithium plumbago, or arsenic, manganese, any 2 of that, you will get 2 mark. Okay, if you write only 1, then you will get only 1 mark. Write any 2 of that, any 2. If you use copper, iron, or lead, or only copper and lead, or copper and iron, or iron or lead, or arsenic or manganese, any 2 of that, you will get 2 mark. If you have written only 1, then you will get only 1 mark. Okay, so this is the discussion of and marking pattern of this today's chemistry test. I hope I have solved your doubts about the marking pattern. So please go through properly and please check for yourselves where you have done the mistake as well. Okay, and after checking the answer sheets of all, I will publish the result. Then if you, after watching this, if you get any further doubt, then you can ask me. But first thing, we have to check this video and check the answer sheet as well. I will be sharing this answer sheet to both of the groups, so you will get that as well. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Thank you very much. Bye.